Okay, so children, today we will learn about the great Indians, chapter number 31. Okay, so what is the first one? Look at the pictures and write their names using utility box. Now you can see here, what is the first picture shows? The first picture is of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, the first picture is of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. All of you choose the correct answer. Take the correct answer. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The first answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Showing pictures that match.
Okay. So who was Bal Gangadhar Tilak? Bal Gangadhar Tilak was an Indian nationalist, teacher and an independence activist. Okay. Tilak, he was the first leader of the Indian independence movement. So Bal Gangadhar Tilak was an Indian nationalist, teacher and an independence activist. Now second one, second picture here is, what happened Upama?
I know this great Indian. I can tell.
Wait Upama, not now. Wait, just wait, I will explain everyone first. The second picture here is of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Who was he?
According to Wikipedia,
Subhash Chandra Bose was an Indian nationalist. Okay. He was an Indian nationalist whose patriotism made him a hero in India. Okay. Now see the third picture. Whose picture is this? This is Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla. Who is she? She is Kalpana Chawla. Who was Kalpana Chawla? Kalpana Chawla was an American astronaut and engineer who was the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. Okay. She first flew on the space shuttle, okay, Columbia in 1997, and her second flight was the final flight of space shuttle Columbia in 2003. So Kalpana Chawla was an American astronaut and engineer who was the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. Now see the next one. Whose picture is this? This is Saint Mother Teresa. Saint Mother Teresa. Who was she? Mother Teresa was honored in the Catholic Church as Saint Teresa of Calcutta. Was an Albanian Indian Roman Catholic nun and missionary. Okay, so she was the Albanian Indian Roman Catholic nun and missionary. She was born in Italy, okay, and she was honored in the Catholic Church as Saint Teresa of Calcutta. She served the humankind throughout his life. Okay, so yesterday also there was the birth anniversary of Saint Mother Teresa. She served the humankind. Okay, she served for the mankind throughout his life, throughout her life. Okay, now see what is the next picture. This picture is of APJ Abdul Kalam. So APJ Abdul Kalam, the full name of Abdul Kalam is Dr. Abul Pakir Zainul Abidin Abdul Kalam. He lives in Indian people's heart as the missile man of India and the people's president. He was a scientist and an engineer who served as the president of India from 2002 to 2007. Okay. The next picture. So I will repeat once again. The first picture here is of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay. The second picture is of Subhash Chandra Bose. The third picture is of Kalpana Chawla. The fourth picture is of Saint Mother Teresa. The fifth picture is of APJ Abdul Kalam. So all of you finished, I hope. Yes, Debarpan, what happened? What happened, Debarpan? Unmute yourself. Okay, children, mark this one. Did you know? Mark this one. Did you know? It is also important. So, what is the full name of APJ Abdul Kalam? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. His full name was Dr. Abul Pakir Zainul Abidin Kalam. Okay. And he was also known as the Missile Man of India. Underline this. He was also known as the Missile Man of India. Debarpan, what happened? Yes, Vedasrita, what happened, Vedasrita?
Ma'am, I'm joining late.
Okay, okay.
Please mark me present.
Okay, okay. Have you completed this one? A?
Yes, ma'am. A
Okay.
and B.
Okay, very good. Samiha, what happened?
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good, very good. Now follow this one, B. What is the B one? Just wait, children. B. All of you follow the B one. Who is called the Flying Sikh of India? Milkha Singh was called the Flying Sikh of India. Who? Number 2. Who is known as the Saint of the Gutters? Saint Mother Teresa was known as the Saint of the Gutters. Who was the largest serving Chief Minister of India? Jyoti Basu served as the largest serving Chief Minister of India. Okay, all of you do this. First answer is Milkha Singh. He was also called as the Flying Sikh of India. The second one is known as the Saint of the Gutter, Saint Mother Teresa. And the largest serving Chief Minister of India was Jyoti Basu. Okay. See, once again, I will show you who. Number 1, who is called the Flying Sikh of India? Answer is Milkha Singh. Number 2, who is known as the Saint of the Gutters? Answer is Saint Mother Teresa. Number 3, who was the largest serving Chief Minister of India? Answer is Jyoti Basu. So have you all finished? Yes, Paban, what happened? Paban, unmute yourself. Paban. Yes, Shubhro, what happened?
I have completed all the things.
Very good.
I
Shubhro.
can take.
Yes, very good. Okay, Adrita Ghosh, have you completed? Just wait.
Ma'am, I can yes,
Wait.
I can draw.
Yes, you can draw. Wait, Shubhro, wait. Let me check.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Shan, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am. Take
Okay.
my book.
Very good, Zishan.
Ma'am, draw.
Yes, you can draw.
I draw.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Isa, have you? Very good, Isa. Very good. Yes, Tabassum. Very good. Very good, Isa. So,
Ma'am, may I draw?
yes, you can draw, Tabassum. Okay, very good. Yes, Samiha. Agni.
Ma'am, I am draw.
Very good. Yes. Yes, you can.
I am draw.
Yes. So all of you have completed. Very good, children. Ridhima, have you completed? Abhinav, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. All of you have completed. Very nice. Okay.
Fourth one, Mother Teresa. Fifth one is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Then B. Question is, who is called Flying Silk of India? Answer is Milkha Singh. Second, who is known as
Gutter.
Answer is Saint Teresa. Third one. Who was the largest serving chief minister of India? Jayati Basu. Ma'am,
Very
please
good.
see my
Very,
book.
very good, Upama. Very good. Well done. Okay. Okay, Upama. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, can I draw?
Yes, you can. You can draw. Yes. Very good. Okay, children. Yes, Shubhro. Yes, Shubhro. Read.
Yes, ma'am. First
Very good, Ayushman.
First one A answer will be Bal Gangadhar Tilak. BALGADHARTILAK. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next one is that means two. Answer will be Subhash Chandra Bose. SUBHAS. Subhash CHANDRA. Chandra. BOSE. Bose. KALPANE. Kalpana. CHAUBA. LA. Kalpana. Chawla.
Chawla.
Not
Kalpana Chawla.
Then fourth one is Saint Mother Teresa. SAINT. Saint. MOTHER. Mother. TERESA. Mother Teresa. Saint Mother Teresa. Then fifth one is APJ ABD Abdul. B answer. Abdul Kalam. B answer one will be Milkha Singh. Milkha Singh is called Flying Sikh of India, who is known as the saint of the gutter.
Yes.
Saint Mother Teresa is known as the saint of the gutter. Who
Okay.
was the largest serving
Chief Minister of India.
Jyoti Basu was the
Okay,
largest.
Shubhro. Okay. Very good, Shubhro. Very good.
Thank you,
Beautiful.
ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Ayushman. Have you completed, Ayushman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Show me. Very good, Ayushman. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Ayushman. Okay. Mariam, have you completed? Okay, okay. Mariam, have you completed? Show me.
Well, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Mariam. Very good. Learn all this chapter, whatever you have done in the class. Okay, learn nicely. Okay, very good, Mariam. Yes, Isa, what happened?
Ma'am, may I drink water?
Yes, you can drink. Yes, Isa, drink. What happened, Paban? Paban, unmute yourself. Paban? Paban, I think there is some network problem. I can't hear you. Paban, you are having some network problem. Okay, children, so you will learn this chapter by heart. Okay, these chapters, Great Indians. So the first picture here is of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The second picture is of Subhash Chandra Bose. The third picture is of Kalpana Chawla. The fourth picture here is of Saint Mother Teresa. The fifth picture here is of APJ Abdul Kalam. Now number B, who is called the Flying Sikh of India? Milkha Singh was called as the Flying Sikh of India. Who is known as the Saint of the Gutters? Saint Mother Teresa is known as the Saint of the Gutters. Who was the largest serving Chief Minister of India? Jyoti Basu was the largest Chief Minister of India. Yes, Kaushika, very beautiful drawing. Very good, children. Okay, children. Okay, children, take care, all of you. Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye.